everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be talking about the skincare range from Made by Mitchell. These are a godsend. Honestly, Made by Mitchell himself has done a wonderful job creating this skincare range. Now, this skincare range is for all skin types and all age groups. He does also specify that it's good for teens, so if you have teenager or your teenager yourself, this is the brand you need to go looking for. I think they're now available in Boots, so if you're in the UK you can get them very easy from Boots, or you'll see he has his website that, if I'm not mistaken, now delivers worldwide with DHL, which is great. But the pricing for DHL for abroad is quite high, at least for me. So unless I'm doing a massive big order, I don't really order from there. I try and go from third-party sites. But other than that, I want to give you my review on the products because these are amazing. So I would say I've been using these for about a month, going on to 2 months now, so I feel like I can give a proper honest review on the products. These are big products. You can see you get a really good amount for the price. I don't think I paid more than 20 euros each for these products. So we have the Clean Screen Skin Prep Moisturizer. This you get 130 ml. That's how much you get. Like, it's really good. It's good if you're a makeup artist as well, because you can decant this or take it with you and you have a product that's going to last you quite a while. And then the eye cream. The eye cream is I Fly Sky High Skin Prep Eye Cream. This is 70 ml. Where are you gonna find an eye cream that's 70 ml? Like, you can see I've been using it obviously, but again, really good for makeup artistry, because if you are needing skin prep, this is really good as well for all skin types. As I said, it's great for teens, great for anyone, sensitive skin and everything, and I'm very happy with them. Obviously, again, you do have the little thing at the back that says these are supposed to be used for 6 months, so you need to make sure that you use them, because obviously the skincare does expire, and obviously it's going on your face. You need to make sure that you bin them when they expire. So my skin, after having Riley, has been very dehydrated, and I have been trying to remember to do my skincare, which is not always easy when you have a baby. Obviously now she's going on to 3 years old. I feel like I'm a bit more like it's a bit more easier to get skincare done, skin prep, get some makeup on my face, being able to get stuff done, letting her run around in the house. She's got school soon. Things just get easier. Everything does get easier, guys, when you have a toddler or a baby. You just have to remember, it just takes a bit of time. You need to have a new schedule. You'll get there and stuff. But this skincare I've been dying to try because everyone's been raving it, and I can clearly say that my skin has not felt plumper than it has been during the summertime. My skin has felt amazing. I've been telling my sister that she needs to try it. I've been telling so many people especially who have dehydrated skin, to try this. Now, this is going to be a really good test now during the winter time, because during winter time my skin is combination, so it's normal. I would say, is it normal to dry? No, it's not. Combination is oily T-zone and dry around everywhere else, but most of the time it can get dehydrated during the winter time. So I'm really excited to try this during the winter time. I do use this in the morning and night. Sometimes I do skip the night time. It really depends on where I'm at, what I'm doing, and if I remember. These are actually in my little beauty room, so I don't have them in my bathroom or anything like that, so I need to make sure that I remember to do them at night time. But in the morning time, when I'm coming in here to get my makeup done and stuff like that, they're always here. I love them. They're really good. You get a good amount, great for makeup artistry, as I said, but my skin has felt amazing. I can't really fault it. Made by Mitchell has done a great product, and he always has offers on the skincare range. I do want to try the toner, and I know he's got some new makeup stuff that he's just come out with. New makeup, I think there's makeup wipes as well, so there's new skincare products that have come out. And the range itself is really good, especially when you know that a makeup artist has created them. There's something about a makeup artist creating products. They know what is needed. They have tried makeup and they've done makeup and skincare on so many different clients. They know what is needed in the makeup world, really. And these, 10 out of 10. I love them. And yeah, I see everyone else raving them, and I just want to come out here and shout about it because they're amazing. They're inexpensive. You can probably get a really good deal out of them, and if you haven't tried them, go try them out because you're not going to regret it, especially if you have dehydrated skin. I have bumps underneath my skin, which sometimes happens, especially when it's dehydrated, and the moisturizer has been a godsend. I can't live without it. It's amazing. It plumps up the skin, gives the hydration that you need, and yeah, can't go wrong with them. So if you haven't tried Made by Mitchell skincare, go ahead and try them. That's an honest opinion from me. That's my honest review with combination to oily skin. Paid everything with my own money, and I can't recommend them more than I recommend them currently. Like, amazing. Can't wait to try the rest of the products. I know they're amazing. I tried makeup stuff from Made by Mitchell. Skincare, I need to try more because these are the only two I have. So yeah, that's my video today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one.